Welcome to our Camtasia tutorial. Today we will be learning how to edit a video with green screen in Camtasia. Camtasia is the video editing software we will be using today. First, we will need to import our media. You can do that by going to the media bin, then clicking Import Media. Next, select the files that you would like to import. Then click Open. Note that you can also click and drag the media files that you like to put into the media bin, like so. To start editing, drag the desired video files into the timeline. Then make sure that the video with the green screen is set into the track above the desired video or image. Once you have the two tracks with the proper videos or images, you can go to the left-hand side menu and click on Audio Effects. To clean up the audio, you will have to drag noise removal icon onto the track. This will clean up white noise and other recurring background noise such as fans or air conditioning. After that, go to the left-hand menu and click on Visual Effects. After that, drag the icon that says Remove a Color onto the track with the video segment that has the green screen. Once you have done that, click on the video segment that you have added the effect on. Note you will see on the right-hand side there is a Remove a Color section. This is where you finally remove the green screen from the background. Click on the drop-down menu that is labeled Color and click on the pipette icon that appears on the top right corner of that drop-down menu. The pipette icon allows the user to select the specific color that the user wants removed from a video segment where the effect is applied. Now click on the green screen in the video monitor to remove the selected color. Note, you still may have some green spots remaining. To remove the green screen, you will need to adjust the tolerance. By raising it, you'll notice more and more green spots regressing, but if you raise it too much, you'll notice that all the other colors along with green will regress. So find a happy medium where the figure you want to preserve is still there without the green spots around. Now that you have removed the color, you can start slicing and moving around the segments to your liking. In order to slice a segment into multiple parts, you must first set your playhead to exactly where you want the cut to happen. Then, notice, right above the timeline, there are a bunch of mini icons. Click on the icon with the rectangle that has a vertical line going through it. It is next to the magnifying glass icon. You can slice segments to remove or readjust the order they appear in. Now that you know how to import media, remove the green screen background, and slice clips, we can now move on to using basic transitions. Transitions can be used to prevent segment jumps and allow for a clearer video. First, click on Transitions in the left side menu. Using transitions are easier than using effects because all you have to do is drag the transition from the left side menu into either ends or both ends of the video clip. For example, all we have to do is click and hold this fade transition onto this clip. Now we have a transition in place. Now that you have learned the basics of using Camtasia, you can go make and edit your own video with a green screen.